Hello students, today we're going to talk about using Epocrates on the iPad for completing your musical meds assignment. So first you'll need to get your iPad and then click on Epocrates. When you find yourself here on the home screen, you'll see a few icons you could select as well as a search bar. But for this assignment we'll be using the pill ID icon. It's the third one in from the left. On this screen, you'll begin to enter the information that you know about the medication that you have in your hand. You can enter the pill imprint, the shape, the color, as well as the scoring. Once you've determined that this is the medication you're looking for, you'll click on its listing on the right and a pop-up box will appear on the left. Then you'll click on the name. This medication information page will give you all of the information you need to complete your assignment. We'll begin with adult dosing. Next we have black box warnings, contraindications, and cautions. Followed by adverse reactions, including serious reactions and more common reactions below. This part shows the safety and monitoring, including the pregnancy class. It's also followed by pharmacology. The bottom of the page includes the manufacturer information, including if it's generic or trade, as well as if it's a controlled substance and what class of controlled, if it is, followed by pill pictures at the bottom that show you what the medication might look like besides the one in your hand. On the right, you'll see drug interactions. You may wish to browse the list of interactions of medications, but for this assignment, all you'll need to do is click Add to Interaction Check. Here you see the interaction check, but you only have one item listed so far, so you'll be clicking on Close in the upper right-hand corner, followed by the blue E in the upper left-hand corner of the screen behind it. This will take you back to the pill identifier to complete the same steps for the other group members. If you end up with a vitamin in your group, you're going to need to type it into the Add Drugs by Searching text box to look for it. Once you've added all of your medications, you may wish to click on View All Interactions to see the entire list of things that interact. Now that you've determined which of your medications interacts with the others, this is where the musical meds part comes in. You'll be clicking on Edit in the upper right-hand corner. Next, you'll click on the red minus sign next to the medication that you'd like to delete for interacting with the other medications in your group. Sorry, but if that was your medication, you're going to be asked to move to another group until you find a place where you don't interact with the other medications. This concludes the tutorial for Epocrates for musical meds. Today you've learned how to use the pill identifier, interaction check, and drugs icons, but feel free to explore the others. As always, happy searching, and if you have questions, please ask a librarian.